Okay, so after that, we're going to update the env file and the setup proxy.js file. So the env file, the backend API URL, which already give in a default one. We don't need this one because we will be assigning the API in our proxy.js, where we're going to specify the local host because our backend is running in the same instance. For that, we're just giving the local host, and just we're adding some other middleware. Let me show you. Okay, so if I go to my front end, no, the front ends. If I go to my backend, then app.py, you can see there is and then the login, then the history, the reverse summation. But if I go to my front end, then at first change the env file. So if I use ls-la, I should be able to see the env file. Let's just change it, beam.env. Let's just make it empty string so that the front end doesn't send request to this URL. Save and quit. Okay, so right now if I go to my uh, right now if I go to my src folder, cd src, use ls, I should be able to set up proxy.js. So if I use vim setup proxy.js, in here I can only see two endpoints for the reverser and the summation, but there is no login and the get history. So for that, what I have to do, I just have to add two new route. So for that, just go to the visual mode, then copy all of this, copy this, then come in here, then just paste it. And now we can just change these endpoints. The first one will be the get history, and the last one will be the instead of summation, it will be the login. Okay, login, and every other thing looks good. So save and quit. If I see my slide, hmm, middleware, everything looks good.